Morning, guys. I woke up because the sun was so hot. I don't have the energy to do all the dishes, so I just did this one over there. There's a little faucet or a little tap. I stayed up late here. I didn't get to say goodbye to the two girls I had that long conversation with, but it's fine. They were drunk. I didn't really care. They came back with Mike and Kiki, and they were just too loud. We had people sleeping over in number one, and I kept shushing on them, and nothing again. So I'm just gonna put my foot down from here on. I think I've given Mike plenty of chances. I'm just not gonna shelter with him. I'm not gonna go to an official shelter. I'm not gonna go to a campsite or anywhere where there's other people nearby. If he does that, I'm just gonna have to put my foot down and just go my own way, because this is just too embarrassing. We're adults, and they're yelling and screaming until 4, 5, 6 in the morning. It's just unbecoming, and I don't want to be a part of that. It's a shame I have to be like this. It's like dealing with children. I'm gonna go brush my teeth and just fix my beard. I gotta pluck a few eyebrows, and yeah, let's do it. How do I film this? I'm not sure I can. I'm using the mirror here to pluck my my cheeks. I guess I'm gonna do it from over here so you can see. I have a few stragglers. Now for the eyebrows. Next, I'm trimming my mustache. I'm eating rolled oats with milk and sugar. It started to rain. I haven't been able to leave camp since I got here because someone always has to watch the stuff, and that someone always has to be me, because these people, they're just on a vacation, you know? This is really demotivating. I'm really starting to feel like I need to rein in what I do for the camp and just, I don't know. Maybe we're getting close to separating. I don't know. Let's see. Gotta do the dishes next. I'm doing a lot. We're out of dishwashing soap. Can't do the dishes. And honestly, I don't really feel like it. Guess I'm just gonna be sitting in my tent for the rest of the day. I'm going down to check that place out on my own. I needed to be alone, I think. I was just starting to get annoyed, you know, with being the base bitch, just having to stick around in the campsite, watching over the kid, doing all the cooking, all the cleaning. I'm just gonna go down there, check it out. Mike basically completely butchered the budget. So, I mean, he tells me he's gonna bring in some more money throughout the month, so we're not completely fucked. But yeah, basically as things are looking right now, we're down to 700. Yeah, we were supposed to have like 2,000 more, but he wanted to have fun. I mean, he also bought some stuff for the kid, but it kind of went overboard. And as a result, like, if you give me some money and you say, hey, go ahead, you're responsible for the budget, keep a budget. But then every day you keep coming to me saying, hey, give me 500, hey, give me 1,000. And I tell him, listen, this is deep into the budget, I can't give you that. And he's like, just give me it, and I'll give you some money in a few days. I just start not really caring. I'm just like, alright, fine, I'll just go down, and like, if I see something I want to buy, I'll just buy that as well. To hell with the budget, right? Because if he doesn't get that money, we're screwed either way. So what the fuck does it matter what I spend now? I'm not saying I'm gonna go spend all the money, but like, I'm gonna get a Coke and an ice cream and some to eat. Yeah, I'm gonna be fine. Because yeah, you just become demotivated to care when you're the only one who seems to be caring about all these different things that need to be done for the camp? Like the cooking, the cleaning, the shopping, the planning, the organizing, the shushing on people all the time to keep quiet and them not listening. It's just too much, man. I just need to be alone. Yeah, ran over. Hey guys, what's up? That's a nice haircut. I like it. Hey guys. Animals can always cheer you up a bit. Hi. Det. I'm in the goat enclosure. I'm gonna go pet a goat. Hey buddy, you hungry, huh? Sweet goat. Good goat. Yeah. Eat that grass. Do your job. Let's go. Check out all these goats up here. There's a little migration going. I think these people might have given them some food. Yeah, sure looks like it. It's an interesting place for kids to play around. Reminds me of Rabbit Hill or something like that. Well, I'm here. This reminds me of when I was a kid, for sure. A bunch of attractions for kids, food, a stage, and then over on this side you can buy a bunch of different stuff. I even see a political party advertising over there. There's a bunch of like weird random things here. Oh, churros. I might get a churro. We call them Spanish tubes. Spenskwa. Check out what I got. I got a soft ice with the Kræmmermarked. Reminds me of childhood. Now I'm just gonna walk around and check the place out while eating this ice cream. Reminds me a lot of what it always used to be. It's the same kind of shops. Bunch of clothes, jewelry, and socks. I don't know. It's not really that I want to buy anything here in particular. I mean, I saw a cool belt, but I already have belts. I don't really need a new belt. And I don't feel like spending money just for spending money. This very much reminds me of when I was a kid. My mom was a circus director, and I was a part of the circus acts. So was the Dalmatian we had. We used to have a Dalmatian that we trained to jump through fire hoops, and me, I'd wear a little suit or tuxedo and then go into a coffin or a chest or something like that, and my mom would impale it with 100 sabers, and then she'd pull them out one by one, and the drums would be going, and she'd open the door, and I was still intact, you know. That was the whole act. I got me a Coke. I'm gonna go to the water, drink it, just relax. Get my mind out of the emotional gutter it's in. The kids are riding moon carts. I used to ride those when I was little. I can't even fit into one. Well, the water's just down here. Look at the swans. They're all the way up here. I guess they're not scared of people. considering they live here and there's kids around here all the time. Oh, I rolled a cigarette, but there's kids all around me, so I'm gonna go off to that bench over there and then light it up. I wanted to sit by the water, but then I saw this structure and I'm drawn to it. I don't know why. I just wanna hide away in here and smoke. Yeah, this is nice. Ah, I like the acoustics here. I was wearing my headset just because I always wear my headset when I get overwhelmed by sound. And I guess I get more overwhelmed by sound when I'm in a foul mood. It's just everything distracts me and I kind of keep thinking about the different things that I hear. And for a person who thinks a lot to begin with, it's just too much. I'm just not having a good day, guys. I'm really frustrated at the others just leaving everything up to me. I mean, right now, this is my first time in, I don't know, like 2-3 days where I even have time for myself. Outside of when I'm in my tent editing videos at night, which is a requirement. We've got a bunch of turtles chilling here. It's a turtle pond. Oh, and a little duckling. He's going over to his mama, I think. Check, there's a turtle. 2 turtles right there. They're just chilling, working out. Some more over there on Turtle Island. The ducks have allied with them. Smart. Getting all the good plants. Let me help you out. It was nice to be alone for a bit, but I don't really feel my mood has changed much. I think I'm just gonna go back into the tent, do some more editing, just kind of stay out of the way. I don't want to get into a verbal argument. It's just a waste of time. No one's listening or conceding either way. Mike bought some dishwashing soap and some spejepølse and stuff. So I washed the dishes. Now I'm making some spejepølse and some tea. I even offered, we got 2 people over there in the shelter with their bikes all the way in there. They're definitely not Danish, you can tell. No trust. But yeah, I just told them the code for the bathroom. I do that to anyone who comes over here. Told them you can charge behind. And told them there's warm water as well. It's nice to know these things. People forget to tell. But yeah, I'm gonna have a kartoffelspejepølse. Kartoffel. Such an interesting word. Kartoffel, I guess an American would pronounce it. But it just means potato. I have not tried this one before. He's also got the other one that was a lot better than the one I got covered in pepper. This one is so far the best like spejepølse I've had that isn't ostrich, homemade ostrich spejepølse. But let's see this one. It's from the same company. And of course, the first thing I do is get a new plastic bag to put the open spejepølse in. I'm trying to keep things clean. Next thing, I gotta cut off these rind papers. I'm freezing. Let's dig in. Follow me on my spejepølse adventures. What the fuck? That's all I'm doing these days, just eating spejepølse. I'm feeling real Danish today, so we're drinking chamomile tea. I finished my spejepølse. Now I got proper chamomile with milk and sugar. Let's go. I'm heating up already. I met that couple over there, a German guy and an Italian girl, and yeah, we just had a little bit of a talk about solar. What else? And I'm just sitting here smoking a cigarette, drinking my chamomile tea with milk. You can't have chamomile tea without milk. That's just, yeah, that's just nasty. Yeah, I can feel I'm heating up. I gotta do everything one-handed here. Mike is making some spy pulse and something for his son. I'm just chilling in my tent. I drank plenty of tea, ate plenty of spy pulse, and now I'm just heating up my tent with the trangia. I know it's kind of dangerous, but I'm gonna put it out now. Just lighting that for a minute or two completely warms up the tent. It's so nice. I was just out to pee again and it got cold.